Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack. Okay, so we're taking a look at another Cash App hack, free money glitch type of thing. You guys like these videos, so I'm gonna keep making them. I saw this one. I saw like the first few seconds of this one and I knew I had to take a look at it. So we're looking at Cash App free money glitch, how to add unlimited money on Cash App method 2020. So we're gonna break it down. We're gonna see if it's legit, see if it's a scam, see what it's all about, and I'll let you guys know. First off, we got a dude. He's got an Xbox, he's got some headphones. Looks like he's about to play some games. I don't know, he might open up Cash App. We'll see what he does. Hold up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that screen. That is not what Cash App looks like. That's why I knew I had to take a look at this one, see what it's all about. Look at that. That's like something he made in Paint. He starts off saying, yo guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll send you $5. Are you kidding me? Oh God, Cash App plus plus. What is that? That looks like the biggest scam. Just added money to his account. He's saying he has $0. Hold up. Why can't I pause the video? He's saying he has no money in his account, but this is not the account screen. This is just the screen where you send money back and forth peer to peer. The screen where you go to see how much money is in your account is this button in the tab bar in the bottom left. It's not even on that. He's just talking and tapping stuff fast. That's why people probably fall for it. Simply add money to your account by tapping that button. Are you kidding me? Guys, this is not working. Don't do this. 3 to 4 minutes to install it. All right, let's skip through this. Injecting an app onto your phone. Don't do anything like this. Don't give permissions to stuff that you don't know what it is for your phone. That's a bad idea. Saying get some offers, yada yada. Okay, we see that. What does he say at the end? He doesn't ever show money going into his Cash App. He just opens some random app and says, look, you can tap this and you'll get money. That's like me opening up this. Look, a calculator. $9,999. We did it, guys. We did it. It's the dumbest video I've ever seen. If you fall for this video, you need help. Remember, guys, anytime any of these Cash App things are legit, people are going to be able to go to the history tab right here. It's going to show a full history of everything they've done, everyone they've received money from. You can't just generate money. It can't just appear in your app. It has to come from somewhere. So if you did get money from something, it's gonna appear in your history tab, and the person with the video can just say, look, here's where the money came from. I actually got it. And they can go to their account tab and it'll show up here. Other than that, all of these videos are fake. This one's especially fake. Like, this is the dumbest one I've seen. Look at this interface. It's so bad. Like, what is that? Don't fall for this one. Don't fall for any of them. Check out the other videos like this on my channel. Learn about Cash App. I also have hundreds of legitimate tutorials. You can sign up with my link in the description and we both get $5 for free if you're interested in that. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.